Why is the forest so noisy at night?
Hello. Don't be afraid, I'm the big-eyed owl, creature of the night.
Wow, you fly without making any noise. Are there more night animals like you?
Plenty, like bats, wild cats, and flying squirrels.
How do you see so well in the dark?
They have big eyes, sensitive ears, and sense vibrations.
Uh-huh, something crawling below.
They glide using a special skin membrane.
The night forest is truly magical. The night forest isn't scary. It's just another world awake. Goodbye,
Goodbye.
Owl. See you next time.
Remember to turn off the lights so the forest can sleep well.